What's up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my next video on my YouTube channel, where today I'm going to specifically share with you 3 major updates in the last year when it comes to running Facebook ads. So if you're currently running a Shopify dropshipping store, or you are running a consulting or coaching business, or even an affiliate marketing business, these 3 major changes will have a significant impact in your Facebook ads. And more importantly, if you are able to fully maximize these 3 major changes, you are going to get much more leads and even generate more sales with the same ad budget. Now, before I get into the details, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. So as I said, even though that I haven't been recording a YouTube video for the past 10 months, I've been running a lot of Facebook ads. After all, I am a media buyer, and what I love to do is to run ads to businesses. And these can be e-commerce businesses, coaching and consulting, it can be lead generation, anything that you can think of. I obviously have the knowledge and also have been running Facebook ads for these type of businesses. Now, in the past year, there has been a lot of changes in Facebook ads, and I personally believe that these are amazing changes, and I'm going to talk about it inside today's video. So the first big change is the Facebook ads library. Now, previously, when it comes to the Facebook ads library, you would need to know or to find the specific advertiser that you want to actually look at. So you would need to know what their Facebook page is in order for you to see what ads they are running. But now there has been a huge change in Facebook ads library where you can actually search for specific search term. This is going to allow us to actually know exactly who is advertising what. And by doing so, we can actually understand our competitors much more easier than before. So let me actually share with you exactly how this all works. So inside the Facebook ads library right now, you obviously want to change it to the location. In this case, I'm just going after the United States. And under the ad category, make sure you go after all ads. Now, again, previously you would need to know the advertiser's Facebook page, right? Now you actually do not. I can actually specifically search for things like free shipping. So if anyone's basically offering any free shipping in their ad, I can then pull out all the ads that have free shipping on there, whether it is in the video or it is in the post text. Now it allowed me to really look at who is advertising what. So let's say that you are in a particular niche. Let's say that you're in the dog niche. You can actually go after dog, and just search specifically for the keyword dog and see what kind of products are really showing up. And if you are a Shopify dropshipper, guess what? This is an opportunity for you to easily find winning products that are currently running ads right on Facebook. So again, this is the first major change that has obviously been changed within Facebook in the past year. Now, the second big change that has happened that not a lot of people are aware of is their 28-day attribution window. Now, ever since the iOS 14 update has been released, everyone is panicking and people are saying that they are getting much dismal results with their Facebook ads. Truth is, it isn't. It's just that because of the Apple iOS update, Facebook is only allowed to share 1-day and 7-day conversions. Anything that happens after 7 days, those data are not going to be reported or tracked right within your Facebook ad reporting. So at that point, you may be wondering, well, I'm actually getting more sales and leads on my website versus my actual Facebook ads. And it's because a lot of people do not act right in the first 7 days. So on the 8th and 9th day, if you receive a conversion, you're not able to actually see that conversion firing within the Facebook ad reporting. And because of this, obviously, everyone thinks that their Facebook ads aren't working well. But just recently, guess what? Facebook now released back to a 28-day conversion attribution window. And I would believe that because of what's happening with Facebook and Meta, obviously they laid off 11,000 people, and right now the company is obviously losing a bunch of money. Their main goal is to get back into their core of their business, which essentially is to really enhance their ad performance. And with that being said, by releasing the 28-day attribution window and showcasing back that data, what I believe is that Facebook is going to then now have a longer period of time to actually first showcase the real conversion metric, and number two, to actually use those data to help you with your ads to get you better performance. And again, this is something that I would believe that Facebook is going to bring back and also be really focusing a lot of attention in. So in the next couple months, Facebook ads going to actually become another huge tipping point for anyone that is currently running ads. So having that said, you wanted to actually start looking at the attribution window on not just 1 day or 7 day, especially if you are in coaching and consulting or you're selling a high ticket product. You definitely want to actually start looking at the 28-day attribution window, because at the 28th day, you'll notice that you're going to actually get a lot more conversion than the 1 day and 7 day. And that's really your true data to understand what is happening with your business. Now, the last major update when it comes to Facebook ads is that you want to go after now a broad interest targeting. Again, Facebook released CBO a couple years ago, and for those of you that don't know what CBO stands for, it stands for Campaign Budget Optimization. The number one key goal and the reason why they released the CBO is because they want you as an advertiser to allow their algorithm to do all the work for you. All you do is provide them the creative and the product, and they're going to obviously take care of the rest with their algorithm and pixel. So with that being said, now in the last year, Facebook has been removing a lot of detailed targeting. And there are countless, even in our accounts, we've noticed that we're getting much better result when we are going after broader interest targeting. And we're talking about interest targeting in the tens of millions. And if you are able to actually get a great creative and a great product and combine it with a broad interest targeting, you're going to get much better results than running anything like lookalikes or running specific targeting. Because keep in mind one thing, the smaller your audience is, the higher your CPM is going to be. And when you're broader your audience is, so if you're in the tens of millions, your CPM is going to be much lower. So having that said, you're allowing Facebook algorithm to really do the work for you. If you start limiting Facebook on their ability to serve your ads, you are going to get penalized with a much higher CPM. So that's also a big reason why major advertisers, including myself, we go after what we call open targeting. No interest, just going after the demographic and the age, and it really performs super well because we're not constraining Facebook into a box on finding the audience for us. So if you have been running Facebook ads and you have yet to actually play around with the new Facebook ad library, and if you have yet to actually look at the 28-day conversion window that they just recently released, and more importantly, if you haven't gone after broad interest targeting, I can guarantee you that if you implement these three, you're going to get much better results with your Facebook ads. So again, I'm back on YouTube to continuously just completely in raw style sharing with you guys tips, strategies, and also tactics that you can actually use for your business, or even sharing with you exactly how you can actually start building an online business by using traffic, which again, this is called media buying. So if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment right down below. I'll make sure I'll answer every single one of them. And with that being said, I look forward on seeing you in our next video. Bye now.